My name is Mark Anthony Wallace. I'm a professional sculptor. I was up hiking in the foothills here in Arizona, and there's a particular plant, Shindigger, and I stumbled at it at night, and it's got some pretty healthy little thorns, etc., like most of the prickly things around here in the desert. And so that prompted a series of pieces. That one was Shindigger Blue. Shindigger Blue is a steel sculpture that's been powder coated. It was part of a series of pieces that I had done, taking sheet, 1/4-inch steel, cutting them into pieces, and then individually taking those pieces, running them through a roller, getting my curved shapes, and then basically composing. It's calming, and I think it has a wonderful presence. Sculpture Tucson is the name of a show that started 3 years ago, and it was held at the Brandy Fenton Park. A gentleman by the name of John Fenton, he liked the piece, bought the piece, donated it to the entry of the park. He liked it for a number of reasons, but apparently that color is the favorite color of his daughter, Brandy. At first I thought it might have been a little too small for the scale of which it was, for the site in which it sits. But over time I've come to appreciate the nuance of it and its place there, and I think it's perfect. Come to the Sculpture Tucson show to investigate that deep desire to find something that you've never seen before, something that really tickles your inner self. You'll find it there. The 3rd, 4th, and 5th of April 2020. Bring friends, come. It'll be an event that you will remember for years to come.